صور عن شاف.
We are Te Ahi Kaurua, a senior group located here in Christchurch, and we are very proud to be part of the ceremony today to welcome you as naturalised citizens to Ōtautahi Christchurch, to Aotearoa, New Zealand. Congratulations. Tonight we're going to do some waiata for you, some songs. They are songs of welcome. They are songs which talk about the beauty of our homeland. The song we just did is called a waiata āringa. So it means a song done with actions. And if we're really good, there is a language in the actions, so you should be able to see what we are talking about. We have just spoken about the beauty of our landscape, of our rivers and our moana, of the sea. We've talked about our mountains. This next waiata that we're going to sing is a song that's a waiata āringa, an action song from our home of Rapaki, which is the third way around to Littleton, which is the centre of our universe. The song talks about, pays homage to our mountain, it pays homage to our ancestral house, Whike, and it pays homage to our sea, which feeds us. So, with that in mind, we welcome you and see if you can pick up what we're talking about when you watch what our hands are doing. This is the waiata āringa about our home at Rapaki. So one of the things that Māori are most well known for is our haka. You've probably heard of Tamate, the haka that our sports people do nationally and internationally. Tonight we're not doing tamate, but we are doing a haka. The purpose of a haka is to raise the energy, is to make sure that you're ready, that you're alert for whatever's coming. So often we talk about, we've been told that haka is because we're angry people. Actually, we're not always angry, but often it's about raising the energy, getting yourself alert for what's coming. So the haka which we are going to do now, and the trick for new kids, the bigger our eyes and the more fierce our men's tongues are, does not mean that we are hungry. The more we poke our tongues and we flash our eyes, it's about allowing our ancestors who walk with us to see you. And for your ancestors to see our ancestors. So it's about not that we're hungry, it's about allowing that energy to move. So the haka we're going to do now is Koia Mai, which is a haka of welcome, and it's welcoming the many canoes. You and your whānau, your canoes, you're welcome to the shore here at Aotearoa. And we then go on to a haka which talks about a tipuna from down here, Tahu Pōtiki, which is the tipuna whose descendants now occupy the space from Maori all the way to the bottom of the South Island. So, Koia Mai,